Okay, so building a mobile app has always felt like the final boss of tech, right? It sounds like the kind of thing that needs a whole team, months of work, and a massive budget. Something normal people just don't do. But that's not really true anymore. So today I'm going to show you how to build a real working mobile app with AI with zero code using Runable. Something people can open on their phone, log into, and actually use. Let me show you exactly how it works. And quick heads up before we start, there's a link waiting for you down in the description. If you use it to create your Runable account, you're directly supporting the channel and helping me keep these tutorials coming. So go ahead and get yours set up so you can follow along. All right, first thing, head to runable.com and sign in. On the home dashboard, you'll see the artifact picker, and go ahead and select app as a full stack, mobile first web app. That means it runs beautifully in the browser on any phone, and people can even add it to their home screen, so it feels just like a native app. No app store approvals, no waiting, no separate builds for iPhone and Android. Now here's the most important part, so listen closely. Because it's a mobile app, you describe it around what people do on their phones, and you tell it to design mobile first. So instead of build me an app, you'd say something like, build a mobile-first habit tracking app where users can sign up and log in, add daily habits, check them off each day, and see a streak counter and their weekly progress. Make it a clean, thumb-friendly design that works great on a phone screen. See how that's all about the actions and the phone experience? And for something with real functionality like this, I really recommend turning on plan mode before you send. The agent will stop, think it through, ask you smart questions about how you want it to work, and write out a full plan before it builds a thing. That way you get the right app the first time. Once you send it, the agent asks its key questions. Do you need user accounts? What data are you storing? And then it gets to work. And on the side panel, you watch your app come to life in a live preview. But here's the impressive part. While it's building the screens, you can see it's quietly setting up everything you can't. A real database for your users and their data, secure sign up and login, file storage for uploads, Stripe if you want to charge for a subscription, even emails. A full working backend, and you configured none of it. And it's never perfect on the first shot, and that's fine, you just keep talking to it. You can say, add a dark mode toggle, or let users set a daily reminder, or add a profile page. The agent updates it, and the preview refreshes right in front of you. Then when you're ready, you take it live. Click publish, pick a clean web address, and in a couple of minutes, your app is live on the internet with a real link. You send that link to anyone, they open it on their phone, add it to their home screen, and they're using the app you just built. You can even connect a custom domain or download the whole source code and push it to GitHub. So step back and think about what happened. You described a mobile app in plain English, refined it through a chat, and shipped a real working app people can use on their phones. No code, no app store, no team. And that's it. That's how you build a mobile app with AI, no code, using Runable. If this showed you something you didn't think was possible, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials just like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.